Hello, my sewing friends. You want to see part 2 of my fabric haul? This is my amazing jaw-dropping, oh my gosh, how did this happen? Fabric haul that I got at a liquidation sale at Joann Fabrics. Still can't believe it. So let me just show you the rest of the fabric. Let me start out with the more formal wear fabrics. And this is amazing. This is a sanded satin in eggnog, 57 inches wide, 100% polyester, originally $14.99 a yard. And I think this is about 2.5 yards, but this feels like heaven. It is light and a little bit brushed and hangs beautifully. It's just a gorgeous ivory. Just a lot of yellow in it, but just a beautiful ivory. Oh, yeah, stunning. I think that's going to be my new word. This one is lipstick pink. It is 1.778 yards, so about almost 2 yards, 1 7/8 maybe. This is a charm satin in fuchsia, 59 inches wide. Let's see. 86% polyester, 14% spandex. It's too close. Originally $14.99 a yard. And oh my gosh, look at this color. Lipstick pink. Oh, and this is just a very lightweight, I don't know, poly. It almost feels like lining, but it's got a little more weight to it than lining does. So, yeah. Oh gosh, so pretty. This one is a crepe, and I think this is probably dazzling blue, isn't that? Yes, dazzling blue, 58 inches wide. It is just a crepe, a poly crepe. 100% polyester, originally $9.99 a yard. There are 6 yards on these bolts of fabric, and this I've counted, and it looks like about 6 yards. So yeah, oh, that blue, it is so vibrant. That's one thing about these colors in these more formal wear fabrics, the crepes and the satins. I just can't get over how vibrant the colors are, especially when I show them to you on camera. It's like, wow, they're just, gosh, just dazzling. This one I was so pleased to find because this is one of my favorite colors. It's periwinkle blue, essentially. The color is called Serenity. It is a 58-inch wide crepe, 100% polyester, originally $9.99 a yard. And this is essentially also a full bolt, which is 6 yards. So, oh my gosh, this color. I think I know exactly the dress that I want to make with this. It's a pattern that I got for Mia, and if I can find it, I'll put it here on the screen. Boy, I don't know if it's in print anymore, but boy, this is perfect. And this is the color it's shown made up in on the front of the pattern. And I had looked for this fabric because I thought, oh my gosh, that color makes that dress. So, oh my gosh, I love this color. Love, love, love that color. Next up, I have some performance swimwear fabrics. Couldn't believe I found this. This is Lycra. And it is, let's see, it's this dazzling blue. No, this is royal. 60 inches wide, 82% nylon, 18% spandex, originally $16.99 a yard. It's just about 3.5 yards. And oh my gosh, beautiful royal blue. Royal, oh my gosh. This just, I'm thinking wouldn't just be for, swimsuits, but all kinds of things, leggings and all kinds of other things that might work for this. But you know, very stretchy, very stretchy. Couldn't believe I found swimsuit fabric and that gorgeous color. I also found it in white, and it's just white, just a white spandex. Once again, perfect for, I don't even know, all of the things. Perfect for all of the things, but 4 yards, wow. That was a deal and a half. Next up is a cotton gauze, and this is 100% cotton, 50 inches wide. Originally it was $11.99 a yard, and this is 7.5 yards. This is just a basic navy, but a nice cotton gauze, very lightweight for summer, you know, a nice solid to have. Yeah, I'm interested to see how this will shape up after I wash it, because I've been washing everything that I got and taking it all off the bolts. And I have no idea how I'm going to store all this fabric, but, you know, I'll figure it out. I'll find a way. Next up, remember I had that ponte that I showed you in that dazzling blue? Well, I couldn't believe that I found yet another bolt of it. Most of these bolts come with 6 yards of fabric, and this one has about 6 yards. This is called ultraviolet, and it is 58 inches wide, 47% rayon, 43% nylon, 10% spandex, and originally $19.99 a yard. Oh, this purple. It's fairly light purple. It's not a terribly saturated purple, but it's ponte. Oh my gosh, that beautiful stretch, the weight that a ponte has. I'm in absolute love. I am in love, love, love. And a full bolt, 6 yards. So how can you beat that? Yeah, love it, love it, love it all. This next one is a solid suiting, 58 inches wide, 100% polyester. Originally it was $9.99 a yard, and this is 4.111 yards, so about 4 1/8 yards. And they are calling this a heather, but I love the way it looks like linen. And it's a fairly lightweight suiting, so gosh, perfect for a skirt or a pair of pants. Oh, wow. Or even a dress, you know, especially the coat dresses that are so on trend right now. I think that would be perfect. But oh my gosh, just a really nice, and it's not sheer really, just a really nice suiting. It has a beautiful hand to it. It just feels really nice. And I don't know if you can see this weave. Yeah, there it is. But wow. Did I say I was in love? Because I'm totally in love. Now you remember last time I showed you a stretch satin, and I'm not sure if this is the same print or not. I have the blue one, the Periwinkle blue one over there, so I probably could compare, but I don't think it's exactly the same. But this is another stretch chiffon, which I had never heard of, but 90% polyester, 10% spandex, 57 inches wide, originally $12.99 a yard, and this looks like about just shy of 4 yards. Oh, once again, these colors, and it's a Paisley, so I think it is the same print, just a different colorway. Coral, pink, navy, a little bit of yellow. These colors, and oh my gosh, remember I told you this feels like heaven? Oh my gosh, it so feels like heaven. It just, oh, the drape on this. This is going to make such a beautiful something. Probably a dress. I always make dresses. I love dresses. I should turn this way because it drapes better. Oh, so nice. Stunning. Stunning. Now these last 4 are Crinkle rayons that I can't believe were still on the shelf. What were people thinking? Why were these not grabbed up? Because I had to grab them up, that's why. Okay, this one is solid Crinkle rayon, 100% rayon, 49 inches wide, although it feels more like 59 inches wide. $12.99 a yard, and this is a full bolt, so it is 8 yards of a Crinkle rayon. You're probably thinking, why did she get this when she got that cotton gauze in navy? I don't know. You know, honestly, I was walking through and I just thought, oh yeah, I'm just gonna grab that one too. Because I was trying to get to 25 bolts of fabric, and I had not been counting, and I didn't know if I was there yet. But, you know, more navy. I have at least 2 to 3 girls that look fantastic in navy. I like navy too. It's a nice alternative to black. So yeah, oh, this rayon. Give me rayon. I love rayon. It's my favorite fabric. So yeah, just a nice navy, nice basic. This next one, same thing, 100% rayon. What did I say? 40 something inches wide, 49 inches wide. This says 5.278, so 5¼ yards. 100% rayon. I said that, didn't I? $14.99 a yard originally, and it is a green. I originally thought it was a Paisley, but it's just got this great big kind of medallion print on it. It's green and coral, coral, and white, and a little bit of a very dark red, like a brick red, you know, like a maroon. But again, just this rayon, crinkle rayon, doesn't have to be ironed. And when I saw this green, I thought, the girls, I thought, oh, McKenna, Michaela, you know, Emma, they have that coloring that looks so good with this color green. So just more, yes, more of the same. So many things to make. I'm gonna have sewing to do between now and Christmas. Oh my gosh, so much sewing. Yet another one, crinkle rayon. Same thing, 49 inches wide, 100% rayon, and $14.99 a yard originally, and oh my goodness, look at this. Now the thing about this one is that it's kind of got a border sort of thing going on. You can tell right here. You could work with this and use it as a border print, I think. But it's black with coral, and orange and green and red, a little bit of yellow. Yeah, nice floral. I'm really impressed with this kind of border idea. I wonder if I could show it to you more. Let's see if I can pull this off more this way. It's wrapped on the bolt with the wrong side showing, but you can kind of see here, there, that helps. You can kind of see it just kind of goes down here. It's not a true border print because that's not on the border. It's more like in the middle, but I think, you know, you could definitely work with it that way. So yeah, black, perfect for, you know, whatever weather really, because you can put a cardigan over whatever it is, or a topper, or a, you know, a duster, any kind of thing that you want. So yeah, oh, it's just crinkle rayon. God, I love crinkle rayon. I'm completely in love with crinkle rayon now. Yet another one, crinkle rayon, 49 inches wide, 100% rayon. $14.99 a yard originally, and this one has that black pin dot with a green and pink and purple floral. So wow, oh, can't you just see an Easter dress out of this? Wow, it would be so pretty. Just flows. This, how many times can I say stunning? Crinkle rayon. Yeah. Oh, it just moves so nicely. Last one, and I have to tell you about this one. It's another crinkle rayon. When I was gonna make a maxi dress to take on my big trip that I took this summer, I saw this and I was gonna get it, but it was gonna be, I don't know, like $40, and it was just the bottom skirt of this maxi dress. And I thought, oh, I just can't bring myself to pay $40 for this when I know I'm going to spend money, you know, other places, and I've already bought the fabric for this dress and wasn't working, and oh, I just couldn't do it. Well, I'm glad I didn't do it. Oh, I didn't tell you the yardage on those. Full bolts, pretty much. So here it is. And it was a dress I wanted to do in shades of black, and this was perfect for the skirt. And how much is on here? 2 and a little over half a yard, 2.5 yards. You know, same old, crinkle rayon, $14.99 a yard. I would have had a 40% off coupon, but still, it was going to be expensive. And now I have it. Oh, these colors, black and gray and white. And, you know, all I can think of now is maxi dress when I see this with the black top. And, you know, to be honest, I don't know that I would make that pattern again because it's not done yet, and it's because it's such a disaster. But, yeah, oh, goodness. This would just make so many pretty things, especially with black, if you wanted to color block it off with black, which is what I was going to do. Like I said, I can't get that out of my brain. Okay, so that is all the fabric that I got. Is that just mind-boggling? I'm not to you probably, but it sure is to me. Wow, my mind is still reeling that I got all this fabric for that incredible, incredible price. Like on average, it was 65 cents a yard. How does that ever happen? It's like God knew I wanted, you know, I needed kind of something to be uplifting that day and said, here, I want to bless you. Boy, he sure did. So I'll be back with the Vogue patterns that I bought and the buttons and a few other notions that I got at Hobby Lobby that I want to show you. So until then, I will see you next time, and thanks for watching.